Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Yeah, say, we aren't doing anything illegal to get us kicked out. I mean, we're just here filming. Yeah. Maybe, yeah, 200. Other one's on the runway. Here plane spotting with Warning Sirens Aviation and geminibros4life here at Detroit. Got kicked out of our first spot already.
Hey, when we get the heavy?
Dad, what's the first heavy? Dude, more planes are getting cleared for takeoff left and right. Yeah, I know. Dude, you guys can still see the 7.5.
Wait, where?
Right there. There it is. Dang, that dude used up a lot of runway. 739, I think. Oh, 739. I think it's 739. Dude, wait, it might be the Neo. Dude, that's gonna be my first ever Neo, even though there's no difference.
The difference is it doesn't have little like windows at the top.
And the engine. It has different engines and different winglets. Dude, it's so that job. There, MD. Mad dog, y'all. Nothing. Dude, it sounds like a freaking fighter jet. AKA the MD95. No. Beijing. That's a 300. That's a 300 because that's the delta on the bottom.
That's a 200.
Yeah, probably. Me too. Looks like a 900 maybe? Yep. Who doesn't love an E145? Oh yeah, big plane's coming in for landing. Let's see if I can get in the frame. Straight ahead.
Let's see what that is, John. Where is it?
Heavy taking off.
I think that might be an A330.
Oh, dude, can you please?
No, I make a big deal. I'm going to be a lot of Uniteds here because, like, United.
I didn't even.
Okay, I was going to say that.
I didn't even know that the trick got me. Oh, I thought they stopped them. Hey! It's so cool on my Tampa spotting days. All you hear is the roar, and you look behind you, you're just in the plane lifting up.
I have to stop shouting A and just hit the
Hey guys, I'm here.
If I say,
I love that sound. I love Airbus. I'm not gonna lie. I like Airbus.
That's the baby.
Those engines. It sounds like a fighter jet. They take off at such a high angle, vertical angle.
He's coming. He's going to fly right over us.
at first I thought he was stalling.
He leveled out already. Spirit wings, I heard that from here. Spirit wings. I heard spirit wings on that.
Yeah, that's good.
There it is, my first Neo.
No, that's not Neo.
Oh yeah.
That's not Neo.
Thanks, Miller. See, I told ya.
Hey, we got that plane.
The 90's shorter than the 80's, it kind of looks like. Oh, yeah. Well, maybe it was a false alarm, guys.
Dude, no, if he just got cleared.
Oh, about time! Jesus Christ!
Yeah, we saw that. We saw the last time.
I saw this at Toledo. Yeah. Jesus Christ, freaking piece of crap camera. Hi, Brandon, or Anthony, your head. That's not an A321, what the heck? Maybe actually. Well, no, because they fly an Airbus A320 out to Cancun. Guys, do you think we'll see the maybe 747. I'm not kidding. He said what? He said departing himself.
We're about to get a good heart view.
It's like it before. It's like Triple Crown 1.
What if 747 does that? I was.
Ah! Wait! I see a heart! I see a heart! Ah! And now before this view gets all dislikes. Yes! Dang! Did you see the vape come off his wings? Dude, this is perfect. My camera's about to die. Nice. Camera's just about to die. See, that's the only 742.
Dude, I would love
I was ticked because this isn't a joke. Like, I'm being dead serious. They said they did say full length takeoff though. What? It could have been. You never know though. In all seriousness. Yeah, I heard.
I would say 737.
Come on. Miller, get your head out of the frame. It's okay, I got it. It's just gonna zoom in. I love landings better.
Oh yeah, definitely take it off.
Especially when the 7.4 lands.
Yeah, but he didn't do it like. He do that just like the other. 700 yards.
I was right. There was a play that got cleared for him.
That's just the aftermath of the 700. That's the wind.
That's the wind.
I'm gonna say
7.
Yep. God dang it.
Imagine what it's like to be a pilot to go that fast up and that going down. You might want to see this.
This is gonna be loud.
Yeah, this is gonna be really loud.
At least if it's an MDD.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh.
That was a 717.
You guys really again? You gotta be like, get ready to scream.
Baby, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Light my fire. Where's it at? Did it already touch down? Where'd it go? There it is.
Why couldn't you build our runway?
There it is, Aeromexico. Nice. And it's the old colors too. Oh no, just kidding. JK, it's Delta. God dang it. Whoa, did you hear that? On my editing app and so I can re-upload. God dang it. Where's it at? There.
Oh, he going crazy.
That's a rocky. That's gonna be. Oh. Ah!
All right, now we can
I I'll send. Whoa! Oh wait, that's the truck. It's like smoke. It's on fire.
Las Vegas.
Yep.
So that'll be Delta.
Yep.
What's Southwest?
It's Delta. Oh my God! Yeah, I'd probably put some different RJ.
That's 900, I think.
Yeah, that's a 900. Yeah! Dude, the crosswind, dude, is so cool. Sorry. Wait, is that US Airways? Kind of looks like US Airways. No, it's Delta. Woo! Ah! Delta. Dang the wind. My lens is dirty. Damn! Yeah, this is a lot bigger. It might be a... Dude, oh my... Wait, is it recording my face again? No, it's not. Yeah! Miller!
Don't do this to me now!
Yeah! Holy crap! Holy crap!
My phone just tried to.
It just now started
My phone just tried to.
It just Oh, it's a 320.
Yeah, that's why I said it might be another Spirit.
No, it's a no. Is it going to be screaming? Oh, God, he's
Dang! Dude, look at that landing, though! Look at this dude! Oh! Autofocus. Oh my God, why aren't you focusing?
It could be a 7172.
There we go. Yeah, I could. Oh, empty. Yep, God dang it. I'm not gonna lie, I like filming on my phone for plane spotting better. It's just I'm too shaky with it. Yeah. We got a Frontier! Whoa! 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 Fuck! American! American! Shiny shine! Shiny shine! Holy! Oh! I love that!
Oh my gosh, it's the American old color. I can't believe that.
That's the only...
The American Dallas.
That's the only American Mad Dog flight that... Doesn't matter, it's still cool.
Well, it is RJ.
Hey! Oh wait, that's just CRJ. Never mind, this is more important. Oh God, my battery's getting low. That's an E170 or something.
Yeah, they are.
God, I wish I had my flow radar out. I don't know, it was...
You might want to get out. How come he wasn't on radar? Oh
My phone's at 21%, thank God!
How come he wasn't on radar?
I don't know, yeah, I look.
He was not on radar.
What the heck? Holy! Yeah! What a great way to end it!
I think we should.
Yeah, let's let's wait for the spear and then we can hit the road.
13.
He was low. He was low on radar.
Yeah, he wasn't on my radar.
Oh, that crossing correction.
He probably came from Seoul.
He just kicked that road. He just kicked it.
Oh no! I thought it was a diversion from Chicago because Chicago's getting hit by some bad storm. What do you have against
kind of
white
diversion, like a Turkish 777 or like.
It's also white. So
Oh, a white one, yeah. Where's Bearfare at?
Dude, look! You can see the 747 tail. You can see the
3747 go around this crib.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we did have 4. Cause you guys had 4.
We got United, you serious?
Oh, it's Delta. No, it's United.